Menteri rang ba kejela ukonat konggal sangma ula pentip bakatanat kampo yeng jongkari kampat ay kano karai halor kacing pentrekam ya ka ILP ne ke inline permit ha kejela namar bakatanat kampo yeng jongkari kadang syong perkhat ya ka ne ka kam hadu mentam ukonat sangma ula yat huru bakatanat kampo yeng jongkari kahap ban petru ya ka jinglong jingman jongki wede kejela jongkari ha swaban pentrekam ya ka inline permit ha kejela.
We have been as a government when the resolution was passed by the Assembly, that itself was a commitment shown by the legislatures and the government that we are very concerned and that the ILP is something that we as a state would want. So the matter is now lying with the government of India, the Home Ministry, and I had mentioned in my letter when I met him that we reiterated the demand for it and requested the Home Ministry to consider the resolution. So the Home Minister has said that he will examine, and they're examining the entire aspect. So that was it. No assurance has been given as yet. They are examining because it is an issue that will affect other states also. So I think the government is taking a call based on the overall impact in the region and other states also. But as a responsibility of the government, it is our responsibility to continuously follow up with the government of India and the Home Ministry, which we are doing, and we'll be following it up on a regular basis so that this can be achieved.
So the amount of time being consumed here, it's not going well with the pressure groups here in the state. So is the government planning to make it even faster, or because they see it as almost to pacify the citizens when last year this whole stir had happened in the state?
Yes, it's a very complicated issue, but I think what's good in this entire situation is that the entry-exit points are being set up. The MRSSA, which was passed in 2016-17, already has got provisions to set up these entry-exit points, and based on that we are going ahead with it. So a large part of it is already incorporated in the old Act. So that's the good part, number one. Number two, because of this situation of the COVID that we're facing, we are requiring mandatory registrations to take place in any case. So you are seeing a situation where the different provisions and the different concerns that are there of the society at large is being addressed because of the situation that is prevailing in the state and in the country as a whole. So the entry-exit points are being set up. The registration is going to take place and will be mandatory as of now because of the fact that there will be testings that will be required, that the registration has to take place. So we are seeing the process happening, and I think the ultimate point to remember for all of us is that the ultimate objective should be achieved, and the objective is to ensure that we are able to monitor the entry and the exit of people in the state, and the current provisions that are there and also the current situation is allowing us to achieve that objective of monitoring the people who are coming into the state of Meghalaya.